Oh,
Yeah.
we're on the blog. We're doing the old bonfire night.
Well, we got to get started then.
T-Bird, anybody want to say hello? Anybody camera
No.
shy?
Who are you saying it to?
I don't know.
TikTok.
T-Bird. Hi guys.
He's posting this, so.
T-Bird.
He's semi-famous around here. There's all kinds of people that talk to him.
I'm the T-Bird. What up?
Well, semi-famous, probably not.
I'm just famous at
Around
McDonald's.
here in Woodstock, you're popular.
I'm just famous at McDonald's.
Me and Mike.
Yeah, they love him at McDonald's. What? They call him
T-Bird.
Cheeseburger Mike.
T-Bird.
What up? Basketball, I bounced it off the
Morning.
too hard.
Hi guys.
Mike's been a good buddy of mine for many years.
Technical. I just faking.
Over
I was diving.
No.
That was a dive, guys. Professional diver.
If you face paint it and lose all your teeth, I'm taking them.
Hi guys.
She's gonna collect your teeth.
Okay.
Mike,
Morning.
you need to post that you were learning how to walk right there.
I learned how to walk.
Hey,
Learn how to walk.
when they
Hey,
got
bag.
the school, did you get them?
Yeah, well, I
T-Bird.
they give me katanas.
T-Bag.
I asked for them. They're like, oh, we've already given them away. I got
T-Bird.
these.
Broke the bone in his tongue.
Well, only two.
Mike, you gotta take those chairs into the shed too and get
Oh, yeah.
started if you're gonna do that.
Oh, sure. Yep.
We're gonna do the bonfire.
Yep. Aaron, I can go get the.
We gotta get the things of the shed.
Oh, sweet.
That's her.
T-Bird.
Here,